Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw Tips and Tricks, and I made a couple of videos today on how to make that. Well, what if you don't like that angle? And look at this angle. You can use the same grid we used for the other ones. I've grouped all this together, and I'm going to rotate it 22.5 degrees. So now the lines are totally different, but it's going to come out the same if we use the Smart Fill tool and just kind of, think about where you're going to draw it. And I'm just going to draw a little square this time. So what I'm doing is I'm drawing the top square, and then we'll draw the angle actually that you're going to be able to see, and then take your Smart Fill tool and change the color to let's go a little bit darker, and then do the other, what you would see, and make it a 3D looking block, and just go around and fill in these blocks. And I just did a previous video earlier on how to get rid of the lines that we're going to show in just a second, and just go around and fill in what you know that you could see. And it's that easy. Now, because the red is grouped, we can just select it all, and then I even got a total different angle. I think the first time I angled it 10 degrees, but now we're at 22.5, and you get a total different look. Total angle, total different look, but just the same. Where this is almost like a 45, and you can see the rotation was only 10, and now it's 22.5 degrees. I don't think you could take this and rotate it. Well, let's do this. Let's select this. Whoop, got to be able to get it all. Select this and rotate it, and you get a different look, but at one point you can't go all the way around, because then you're going to be able to see the side that you didn't do. Well, maybe not. So I went from that angle, let's put it back to 0 where we were, and let's angle it 22.5 degrees. So basically you can do the same thing without doing that, but you could change it afterwards if you needed different angles, different, if you wanted these spread out and have different looking looks. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.